Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable calendar notifications show as pop-up on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here open up the calendar app. Next, tap on the menu key at the top. From the pop-out menu, tap on the settings icon. Then we go down and tap on alert style, and then tap on a sound at the bottom. Next, tap on show as pop-up. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. If you turn it on, when you receive an event notifications, it will show as a pop-up on your screen. And after that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your calendar event view, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.